In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these chemistry problems under Alkynes. So guys, we have 6 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, the color of the solution formed when an ethyne reacts with an acidic solutions of potassium tetraoxomanganese 7 is, so it's colorless guys. Very important, option C. Next repeated question, this one. It says, ethyne undergoes the following reactions except, so the right answer is option A, which is esterification. Alright, very important. The next question with this one, it says, what amount of hydrogen will be required for complete hydrogenation of 1 mole of pentene? So the of pentene. So guys, the right answer to this question will be 2 moles. When you solve this on paper, I have solved it before, so it gave me 2 moles. The next question will be this one. It says, when substance X was added to a solution of bromine water, the solution becomes colorless. X is likely to be a propane, guys. So that's the answer, option C, propane. Next question will be this one. It says, when alkynes are hydrogenated completely, they produce compounds with the general molecular formula. So they are going to have the general molecular formula of alkanes. So when alkynes are hydrogenated completely, they produce alkanes. So the general molecular formula for alkanes is this one in option B. Alright, so that will be the answer to this question. The last question here before I end this video with this one. It says, what is the IUPAC name of this compound? So guys, we have 3 atoms of carbon here and we have 3 bonds attached. So this is propane, guys, option B. This is one way you can express propane structurally. So the right answer is option B. So guys, this is basically how you can deal problems involving alkynes for your chemistry practice with 6 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel from what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button, where you're going to be getting premium information or help with yourself in your next exams you'll be writing. Alright, so having done this, click on the next button and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.